Good morning, students. Good morning. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, linkage and recombination. What is linkage and recombination? Do you know what is the simple meaning or literal meaning of linkage? Linkage means joining something. Linking. Linking means something is joining. Two things are joining. Recombine means one time broken, again it is combining, then it is called recombination. So what is the meaning of linkage? Joining something. And recombination means first breaking and again combining. So these two topics only we are going to learn in this session, linkage and recombination. Morgan carried out several dihybrid processes in Drosophila to study genes that were sex-linked. Who is the scientist learned about this one? Morgan. Morgan carried out several dihybrid processes in Drosophila. Drosophila is fruit fly only. When we are keeping fruit open, then some flies will be sit on that with dark red eyes. Eyes are very large compared to the size of the fly. That is Drosophila. Common name of Drosophila is fruit fly only. To study genes that were sex-linked genes only. The crosses were similar to the dihybrid process carried out by Mendel in peas only. This experiment is conducted by the scientist Morgan, but it was very similar to the dihybrid process carried out by Mendel in peas. For example, Morgan hybridized yellow-bodied, white-eyed females to brown-bodied, red-eyed males and intercrossed their F1 progeny. So see that which is the example selected. Morgan hybridized the yellow-bodied, white-eyed female. How was the female? Yellow-bodied. Color of the body is yellow and eyes white only. Yellow-bodied, white-eyed females. And how was the male? Brown-bodied, red-eyed males only. Brown-bodied, red-eyed males. So two characters, dihybrid cross only. One is color of the body. In female, yellow color is the female body, and in male it is brown color only. Second character is color of the eyes only. In female it is white-eyed only, and in male it is red-eyed only. He observed that the two genes did not segregate independently to each other, and the F2 ratio deviated very significantly from the ratio 9:3:3:1 ratio. Are you remembering this ratio? 9:3:3:1. It is called as dihybrid ratio. It is called as dihybrid ratio. Dihybrid ratio. Expected when the two genes are independent only. Expected when the two genes are independent, then this ratio expected. So Morgan carried out some experiments based on two characters, that is dihybrid cross in which organism? In Drosophila fly, to study genes that were sex-linked. Autosomal gene he didn't study. Instead of that he studied only sex-linked gene. The crosses were similar to the dihybrid crosses carried out by Mendel in peas only. These crosses are very similar to the dihybrid cross which was done by Mendel in pea plant. For example, say the parents Morgan selected what was the character of the female parent? Yellow-bodied, white-eyed females. Yellow-bodied, white-eyed females. And how was the male? Brown-bodied, red-eyed males. Brown-bodied, red-eyed males, and intercrossed their F1 progeny. F1 progeny means F1 generation produced, then it is self-crossed. Intercross means the same organism crossed. He observed that the two genes did not segregate independently. He noticed here the two genes did not segregate independently of each other, and the F2 ratio deviated very significantly from the 9:3:3:1 ratio. When was the 9:3:3:1 ratio got? In dihybrid cross of Mendel only. The reason for this 9:3:3:1 ratio, the genes were independent. They were separated independently. Here, the experiment conducted by the Morgan, the same result not got, because here the genes were did not segregate independently. Here the two genes did not segregate independently. If the genes are segregating independently, then only the ratio got in the dihybrid cross, that is 9:3:3:1 will be get. If it is not separating like that, the ratio is not getting. Now we will be learn about the experiment conducted by him in detail. Morgan and his group knew that genes were located on the S chromosome. Already we learned that about the sex chromosomes only, genes on the sex chromosome only Morgan studied. So located on the X chromosome, and so quickly that when the two genes in a dihybrid cross were situated on the same chromosome, the proportion of parental gene combinations were much higher than the non-parental type only. Morgan and his group knew that the genes were located on the X chromosome, and so quickly that when the two genes in a dihybrid cross were situated on the same chromosome, then when the two genes in a dihybrid cross were situated on the same chromosome, the proportion of parental gene combination were much higher than the non-parental type only. Non-parental type. Do you understand the meaning of parental type and non-parental type? Who were the parents here? Yellow-bodied, white-eyed female is the female parent, and brown-colored, red-eyed male is the male parent. Brown, red-eyed male is male, and female is yellow-bodied, white-eyed only. These offspring are having the same character, then it will be called as the parental type. Any intermixing of the character like that, yellow-bodied and red-eyed, like that, brown-bodied and white-eyed, these two are called the parental type. Understood? One more time I want to say. See here that when two genes in a dihybrid cross were situated on the same chromosome, the proportion of parental gene combinations were much higher than the non-parental type. Morgan attributed this due to the physical association or linkage of the two genes and coined the term linkage to describe the physical association of genes on the chromosome. Physical association of genes on the chromosome is called the linkage. Do you understand the meaning of linkage? Linkage means when two genes are present on the same chromosome. When the two genes are present in the same chromosome, one is not separating from the other. So both the genes will be go to the offspring. As a result, parental combination will be more only. It will be, suppose that the gene controlling the yellow color and gene controlling the white color, both of them are going together to the offspring. Then the offspring will be yellow-bodied and white-eyed female only, because the genes controlling the yellow color and genes controlling the white eye color are not separating. Both of them are passing from the parents to offspring together only. Why? What is the reason by which both of them are going together? Because these two genes are located on the same chromosome and very near only. Situated on the same chromosome, very near. So they are not separating. They are segregating together only to the offspring. As a result, there is no chance of intermixing of character. When this yellow body controlling gene and white-eyed gene, both of them are going to the offspring will be yellow-bodied and white-eyed only. Like that, this brown body color controlling gene and red eye color controlling gene, both of them are going together. Then that two offspring also having brown bodied and red-eyed only. When new combination or non-parental combination will be erased, when it was erased in the dihybrid cross conducted by Mendel, the genes controlling yellow body will be separated from the genes controlling white-eyed. Like that, the genes controlling red eye should be separated from the genes controlling brown body. Then again remixing of characters will be takes place. So when the two genes in a dihybrid cross were situated on the same chromosome, the proportion of parental gene combinations were much higher than the non-parental type only. Morgan attributed this due to the physical association or linkage of the two genes, and coined the term linkage to describe linking is. Who are linking? Two genes are linked only. Two genes are linked only. As a result, what will be the result of that? Both the genes will be segregated together only because both of them are linked. The gene which is controlling the yellow body is going where the together with that which one also will be go, the genes controlling white-eyed also will be go. So both of them are going together. That term is coined as linkage to describe. What is linkage? To describe the physical association of genes on a chromosome, and the term recombination to describe the generation of non-parental gene combinations. Non-parental gene combinations. Morgan and his group also found that even when genes were grouped on the same chromosome, some genes are very tightly linked, very close to each other. Some genes are very tightly linked, show very low recombination only. Means they are not at all separating. If they are at a distance, then what will be happen? Sometimes they can be separated. If they are very close to each other, then they will not be separated. As a result, recombination will be very less only. So as a summary, when linkage is more, recombination will be less only. The meaning of that understood? Linkage is more. Linkage is more means one gene is not separating from the other gene. Then parental combination will be more, and recombination or non-parental combination will be less only. If the linkage is not so much, less only. When they are at a distance, if it is on the same chromosome, then also if it is at a distance, then what will be happen? Linkage will be less only. Linkage will be less. As a result of non-parental combination or recombination can be occur. So we can summarize like that. In both the cases, genes are present on the same chromosome only. But suppose that these genes are present at some distance, then linkage will be less. Then recombination will be more. Understood that condition? Now reverse say, if genes are very close to each other, linkage will be more and recombination will be less only on a chromosome. And the term recombination to describe the generation of non-parental gene combinations. Morgan and his group also found that even when genes were grouped on the same chromosome, Morgan and his group also found that even when genes were grouped on the same chromosome, some genes were very tightly linked, very close to each other. Then they are not separating at all. 100% parental combination only will be formed. While others were loosely linked, they will be show higher recombination. Understood? If it is loose linkage is there, loosely linked, then what will be happen? They can be separated. They are separating means they will be crossed with other genes also. Possibilities are there. So higher combination. For example, he found that the genes white and yellow were very tightly linked. White and yellow body and white eye. Genes were tightly linked and showed only 1.3% recombination. Only 1.3. What is the reason by which it shows only 1.3% recombination? Because the genes controlling white and yellow color were very tightly linked and showed only 1.3% recombination, while white and miniature wing showed 37.2% recombination only. White and miniature wing showed 37.2% recombination. His student Alfred Studbert used the frequency of recombination between gene pairs on the same chromosome as a measure of distance between genes and mapped their position on the chromosome. So the recombination is depending upon which one only? Linkage. Linkage is depending on which one only? How much distance is keeping in between the genes on the same chromosome. If the genes are located at a distance, if genes are located at a distance, then what will be happen? Linkage will be less only. Linkage is less means the genes are separated. Linkage is less means the genes are separated. So recombination is possible. Separated, broken, then again combining. Recombination is possible. If the genes are very close to each other, tightly linked, linkage is more only. No? Tightly linked means linkage is more. Then genes are not separating. Genes are not separating. As a result, recombination will be very less only or negligible only. So the example they had showed that said that white and yellow were very tightly linked only. White and yellow were very tightly linked means what is the possibility of the recombination? Very less only, that is 1.3%. 1.3% only, which were very tightly linked. The genes controlling white and yellow were very tightly linked and showed only 1.3% recombination, while white and miniature wing, the genes controlling white color and miniature wing is located somewhat more distance compared to this, then more recombinant will be formed. The 37.2% recombination will be formed. His student Alfred Studwant used the frequency of recombination between gene pairs on the same chromosome as a measure of the distance between mapped their positions on the chromosome only. Mapped means how map is preparing, like map, like that map. Frequency of recombination between gene pairs on the same chromosome as a measure of the distance between genes and mapped their position on the chromosome. Today, genetic maps are extensively used as starting point in the sequencing of whole genomes, as they were done in the case of Human Genome Sequencing Project that is described later in this same textbook only. Now, these are the gene maps showing. Here the location of two genes only shown to you, Y and W. These are the two genes controlling, yellow color and white colored eye only, yellow and white color. See the distance between both of them, and like this it is located, white color and miniature, which is having more distance in between Y or W or M. Which one is having more distance? In between W and M more distance is, this much distance is there, W and M more distance is there. And here less distance only in between Y and W. Y and W less distance only, and W and M more distance is there. If more distance is there, then what will be happen? Linkage will be loose only, loose linkage only. So sometimes the W gene can be separated from M, like that M can be separated from W also. As a result, recombination will be takes place. The meaning of recombination understood? New combination, non-parental combination. One time broken, now W and M is separated. Now this W can be joined with any other gene. It is not necessary that always joining with M. Understood? So here in between Y and W, the distance is very less only. In between Y and W, the distance is very less. Distance is very less only. So Y gene is not separating from W gene. Then what will be happen? Tightly linked condition will be erased. Both of them are very close linked only. How you are not separating from your close friend? Wherever your close friend is going, there you are also going together to the anywhere you want to go only, like that only. If you are not too close with your friend, she will be or he will be go their own way, and you will be go your own way, like that. If you and your friend is very close friend only, then both of them are, you are going together only wherever you want to go. Like that, when Y and W are very close to each other, wherever Y go, W also will be go there only. So in any character, two genes are only there. So Y and W already occupied. No more genes will be there. But it is not too closely, not too close, loosely only, loosely linked like this. It can be separated some extent. So W can be settled with any other gene. Like that, M also can be settled with any other gene. So here parental types, see that parental type 98.7% and recombinant 1.3%. The meaning of parental type and recombinant type understood. Parental means the same to the parent characters. Recombine means breaking and joining the characters, which are joining yellow color and white where the parent, yellow and white. Another one is brown and red only. So which are the nature of recombinant? Yellow and red color. Yellow body and red colored eye. Like that. Which one is the other one? Other one you say? White colored eye and brown colored body. These two are the recombinants. So the meaning of recombinant understood. Now recombinant is here 1.3% only. And but parental type is 98.7. And here parental type is 62.8 and recombinant type 37.2. So all of you try to say why the amount of recombinant increased here. Why the recombinant increased here? Because the distance between the two genes are more compared to this one. So it is loosely linked only, loosely linked. So linkage is less, then recombination is more. Recombination is more only. So here parental type is 98.7%, recombinant 1.3%. Here parental type is 62.8%. Here recombinant type 37.2% only. Linkage only shown like this. And now F2 generation also. Whenever YW only shown here, wild type, and this is white only. This is yellow white and it is yellow like this only. F2 generation. And here also F2 generation shown like that. F2 generation, see that W and M. Distance only you want to listen here. So what is the distance raising here? And here distance is less only. And wild type miniature wing. This is showing miniature wing. So this is white miniature and white only. White miniature and white. So here linkage only shown you. Linkage, that is the topic we have discussed now. What is the simple meaning of the linkage? The simple meaning of linkage is that joining together, linking together, linking only. When it will be occur? If the two genes are located on the same chromosome, if the two genes are located on the same chromosome, if the two genes are located on the same chromosome, then what will be happen? If it is too close to, if it is occupying very too close to each other, then linkage will be tight or linkage will be more, then recombination will be less only. The reverse condition is that if the two genes are located on the chromosome, but it is located in distance, loosely linkage only, loose linkage only will be there. As a result, recombinant will be more only. When the two genes in a dihybrid cross were situated on same chromosome, the proportion of parental gene combinations were much higher than the non-parental combination. When the two genes in a dihybrid cross were situated on the same chromosome, the proportion of parental gene combinations were much higher than the non-parental combination. Parental combination is due to the physical association of genes or linkage. Parental combination is due to the physical association of genes or linkage. Non-parental gene combination is due to recombination only. When the two genes in a dihybrid cross were situated on same chromosome, the proportion of parental gene combinations were much higher than the non-parental combination. And parental combination is due to the physical association of genes or linkage, or non-parental gene combination is due to recombination only. Recombination. So in Mendel dihybrid cross, the ratio got is 9:3:3:1. In that 9 and 1 are parental combination and 3 and 3 are non-parental combination. That is recombination only. Non-parental combination means recombinations only. But when Morgan conducted this experiment, this much the expected ratio was this, but he didn't get the expected ratio. Instead of that, he got very less recombinant only. What he explained the reason for the less availability of recombinant? Because the two genes controlling characters were very closely linked, very closely occupying on the same chromosome, very closely occupying on the same chromosome. Then what will be happen? They are not separated each other. Then they are segregating, both of them are segregating together. As a result, recombinant are not possible. When recombinant are increasing, when these two genes are located at a distance, when these two genes are located at a distance, when these two genes are located at a distance, they will be somewhat separated. Not always separated, but somewhat they will be separated and segregating. Then new combination will be arise. So today we had covered only one topic, linkage and recombination. The physical association of gene is called linkage. Physical association. Suppose two genes are linked together like this only. So wherever one will be go, the other one also will be go like that. You, when your close friend is going along with you, also will be going like that only. So linkage and recombination means if these genes can be separated and it can be combined with any other gene or present on that chromosome, that is called a recombination. So about this topic, any difficulty you are having, in bio WhatsApp group you have to comment if it is audible to you. I am not knowing it is audible. You can hear content you understood. What is the difficulty you are having? If you comment on the biology group, then I will be taking proper care in that where you are having difficulty, that I will try to solve maximum. So all of you have to inform me, then only I will know that